Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, also known as JASIMINA here on YouTube, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm actually doing a press-on nail set for myself. I had no clue what I was going to do or what I wanted, so that's why the pinky is already done. If you had any kind of questions about that, I knew that I wanted to go with something like super girly, and I wanted to have pink in it this time since I've been doing red a lot. I also wanted to add charms to this set, so you're gonna see me add them in this set. I start off each one of my press-on nail sets with buffing and just prepping the surface of the nail, making sure that it is rough enough for gel to adhere to it, and it just keeps the polishes from chipping. Next, I do go in with a base coat, which in this video I'm using Cat Beauty, but I've used Beetles before. I've used Lavender Violets. I've used the Goya brand. I've used the Melody Susie one. Like there's a bunch of base coats out there that you can try. It doesn't have to be the Cat Beauty one that you see me using in the video, but as long as you have a base coat, it should be pretty sturdy. It adds to the sturdiness. It also helps the gel polish that you're going to be adding later to not chip as well. So it's just really a foundational thing that I just do all the time that just never fails me. So I've been doing it since I've done my first set. Here I am adding a base color. This color is like a milky pink, but it's like, I don't know, like a milky pink nude, if you will. You guys can see the color and maybe come up with a better description of how this color looks to you. But the brand of this is Lady Misty, and I get this off of Amazon. They usually come in a pack of 6, and I believe I bought it when it was on a promotional coupon. So I got that set, and this specific color is J4. I add 2 layers of this, but y'all, I realized I was not recording in part of my video. So this is the clip that I realized I wasn't recording. So I did add 2 layers to all the nails and cured them 60 seconds in between each one. And now I'm just going to go ahead and go straight in with painting on the French tip. Now, y'all know I'm clumsy. So usually I go in with a top coat over the base so that I don't mess it up. But today, I guess I just felt bold. I just felt like I could do it, which, I did it, but I had a lot of faith in myself at 10 p.m. at night, in my opinion. So if you know you're clumsy like me, liable to make mistakes, go ahead and add a top coat over this layer so that you don't damage the base layer when you're going ahead and you have to go in and clean up with acetone or something like that. Just go ahead and save you the trouble and just protect it. The color that I'm using for the French tip on this set is actually within a bundle of polishes that I got when I first started, and this was like a bundle of probably 20 mini polishes. I got it on Amazon, and you guys know every time I do one of these tutorials, I do go ahead and list everything that I used in the video in the description box, especially if it's available. And I actually just checked on my phone, so it's definitely still available if you want this set. This set is full of like shimmer colors, but like fine shimmers, not like glitter chunks and things like that. It's just like a reflective kind of glitter that's super fine. The specific number that I'm using is 1017, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this collection down in the description box so that you can check it out, because they do have others as well. It's super cheap nail polish, so keep that in mind. So you may, need to do some protective steps, such as maybe adding extra layers of top coat, or just being super, super careful dealing with cheaper gel products, because they can cause sometimes allergy reactions. They can just do more because they're just not made with quality ingredients, quality things. So we just want to be careful. That's all. On this set, I'm just lining out all of my French tips. Y'all, I'm looking at this now. I make it look so easy in the video, but it's really a pain. Like, trying to make sure they all match is hard. Try to make sure that they are even all across is hard as well. So it's just nice to see me kind of just do it in the video. It looks like I don't have no issues, but I promise you, sometimes your eyes might go cross-eyed, and next thing you know, you have like an asymmetrical French, So honestly, it's probably just because I've been doing them a lot. So muscle memory definitely plays a role, especially if you are struggling to draw French tips on. Just keep doing it. Like, eventually you're going to find your favorite kind of French tip style, and then you're never going to go back. So that's how I feel like it was for me. This specific color actually was super opaque. I actually didn't need to go in and add a second layer like I thought I was. And that is great for, a very, very, very super affordable gel polish. So I was happy about that. The actual nail set is in the lamp for 60 seconds, if I didn't mention that. And now I'm just showing you guys some charms that I'm going to put on here. I used these like gold cross charms that I got from Amazon. And I got these like that middle heart that has like that AB rhinestone in the middle. I actually bought that from Michael's. So if you have like a craft store near you, Hobby Lobby, what's the other ones? Joann's, which most of them are going out of business. Just any kind of craft store that kind of sell maybe jewelry pieces or just rhinestones in general. Check them out, because sometimes they have sales going on. To adhere the charms to each one of the nails, I am going in with the Makartt Rhinestone glue. I like to use this in conjunction with top coat. And so I decided that I'm going to put a heart on the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky. And they are 3 different kinds of hearts. Now, this was my original idea. Later, you're going to see that I changed the charm for the pinky because I did not like it, and the alloy charm wasn't aligning with the nail exactly how I wanted it. So I tried to go in and add more rhinestone glue just to kind of seal the end so that it doesn't tug on hair or, have that lifting issue. But y'all, I just hated it all together. The color of the gold on that heart was more yellow than the others. So it just didn't work out. So ultimately, I ended up putting the same charm that I have on the thumb on the pinky. And that looked way, way better to me. It just looks so good. So I decided to do like this tri-heart girly set. And then on the index finger and the ring finger, you're going to see me add a flat gold pearl, which I get from this kit. I've actually linked it multiple times. With the Makartt Rhinestone glue, I did realize that I needed to kind of like flash cure the bigger charms from moving. I usually don't have this problem with like small rhinestones or flat beads. They tend to stay in the same space, but because these are a lot larger, they're going to move around. So I just decided to flash cure for a few seconds. I hope you all are doing well. I know I just hopped right into this voiceover and just got straight to business because I saw how fast the video was moving. I was like, oh my God, I'm going to miss the steps. But now that I've said a lot, I do want to go ahead and ask, how are you guys doing? I hope your week is going great so far. I right now do not have a specific schedule for my posting. Majority of the time, weekends, I tend to drop way more videos than throughout the week. We just got lucky on this Tuesday, you know? And by me being on break from school until June 11th, I will actually have way more time to drop more videos and just prepare better, possibly make a consistent video dropping plan so that you guys know when I'll upload. But as of now, I don't have one in particular, but Saturdays and Sundays are always like drop days. Like I tend to drop the most videos around there, so I'm thinking just stick to what I know. Right here, I am adding a layer of top coat, which is actually just the regular Cat Beauty top coat. They have a glass one as well that I actually add at the end, but I'm not sure if I actually did it on this video. I did not show me changing the charm, y'all, but y'all see me trying to fix it. It didn't work out. It just wasn't working for me. So I did change it off camera, which you're going to see the final set at the end. Just wanted to let you guys know that. And yeah, I just really love this set. She's giving me like mermaid without giving me mermaid. She's just fun, cute, simple. Yeah, and she is different because I usually don't put a lot of charms on my nails, mostly like rhinestones or little bedazzling pieces. So this was different and I really liked it. I plan to continue to drop these tutorials and try to do more tutorials than hauls. Y'all, we love a good haul. I know y'all love hauls. I love a good haul. But I also want to include, some things that I do creatively with the items that I buy. I don't want it to just be like items, just more like, what can you do with these things? What am I doing with them? Because, we're all curious. And yeah, so I have a lot of fun just showing you guys what I do. My next set will actually be a birthday set for my sister. So that will be my next tutorial. I'm super excited. Y'all, she gave me a task, honey. Like, it's probably going to take me 3 hours to do it. But y'all get like 30 minutes. You know what I mean? I hope you all are enjoying the nail tutorial content just as much as I enjoy filming them and just being creative in my own space. I really love it. It's so peaceful. I have been dropping some videos like late uploads and I'm just seeing how that goes. I do have more flexibility in terms of time wise to post them later, which means just more content overall. So I'm just trying that out. I do like it. It's nice to see, people wake up or do whatever they do within their day and then just watch my videos and comment. So I just have a lot of fun seeing all the comments after just posting the night before. It also can be enjoyable to wake up to new content in the morning and look forward to watching it later. So I'm just trying that out, seeing how it goes. It tends to be a plus on my side in terms of getting content out, but I'll see how it goes in the future. This is the final set, y'all. I did go ahead and change the charm in the pinky finger. I'm saying goodbye. Here we go. I love y'all. But I did change the charm on the pinky finger. And this is the final set. I have them on right now. Y'all, they're fire. Like, I didn't expect for me to like them, honestly, because of the charms. But they are so pretty.